This book is called Sloe and the Hedge Game. Sloe the hedgehog left the bank at dusk. Time to find Sorrel under the hedge. Sloe called along the path. A rustle answered from the stems. Sorrel peeked from the leaf litter, bright eyes, tiny nose. "Hello, neighbour," said Sloe. Sorrel twitched a whisker. On the path lay a round, pale seed, dry and smooth. "Shall we roll it?" said Sorrel. Sloe nodded. They pushed together. The seed rolled a little way. Then it rolled under a broad, dry leaf. Gone from sight. Sloe pressed his nose under. The leaf lifted. The seed stayed hid. Sorrel slipped under. He nudged the seed halfway out. Sloe held the leaf edge. Sorrel pushed hard. Team try. The seed rolled free into the open. Sloe and Sorrel stood proud. One more roll along the path. They followed side by side. They stopped while the fun was high. Home paths called. "Under the hedge again soon," said Sorrel. Sloe nodded. The burrow mouth was clear, round and dark. "Sleep soon."